Tired of slow downloads in Chrome? You know the feeling. You click download on a big file, and then you just sit there watching that progress bar crawl along like it has all day. It doesn't have to be that way. In about 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how to enable parallel downloading, and suddenly your large file transfers will feel like they're moving in fast forward. Here's the plan. We're going to dip into Chrome's hidden experimental settings, flip the switch for parallel downloading, relaunch the browser, and then watch it make a real difference with a big file. I'll even cover what to do if it doesn't work right away. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome. Just go ahead and launch it like you normally would. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. This works the same across the board. Now look up at the address bar. That's the long white bar at the very top of the window where you type website addresses. Click inside it and clear out whatever is there. Then type this exactly: Chrome://flags. So it should look like Chrome://flags. Press Enter on your keyboard. This is going to take you to Chrome's experimental features page. It might look a little intimidating if you've never been here before, but don't worry. These are features Google is testing, and they're perfectly safe to use. I use them all the time, and this is one of the most useful hidden tricks in the browser. Once that page loads, you'll see a lot of options and a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the words parallel downloading. As you type, the page will filter down and show you only the relevant setting. It should say something like parallel downloading with a little description underneath explaining that it enables parallel downloading to speed up download times. Now right next to that, there's a drop-down menu. By default, it's probably set to default. Click on that drop-down. A small list will appear. You want to click on Enabled, not Default, and not Disabled, specifically Enabled. And here's the really important part. This tells Chrome that from now on, instead of using just one connection to grab your file, it can use multiple connections at once. Think of it like having one checkout lane open at the grocery store versus having 5 lanes open. The file downloads in chunks simultaneously, which makes the whole thing much faster. Once you've selected Enabled, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a blue button that says Relaunch. Sometimes it says Relaunch Now. Go ahead and click that. Chrome will close and reopen by itself. This takes just a couple of seconds, so be patient while it restarts. After Chrome comes back up, you'll want to verify that the setting actually stuck. Go back to the address bar and type Chrome://flags again, and search for parallel downloading. It should now show the drop-down set to Enabled. That's your confirmation that everything is active and ready to go. Now let's test it with a real download. Find a large file, something over a few hundred megabytes like a software installer or a big video file. Start the download like you normally would. You might notice right away that the download starts faster than usual. That's the parallel connections kicking in. The progress bar will move in bursts instead of that steady crawl. It is a noticeable difference, especially on faster internet connections. If for some reason you don't see any improvement, or the download seems worse, don't panic. First, make sure you are downloading from a server that supports multiple connections. Most modern download servers do, but some older or smaller ones might not. Also, double-check that you set the flag to Enabled and not Default. That's a common mistake. And finally, make sure your Chrome is up to date. Sometimes old versions don't handle these experimental flags as smoothly. And that's it. You've just unlocked a speed boost that is built right into Chrome, just hiding under the hood. No extensions to install, no complicated settings to tweak, just one little flag change and you are good to go. Give it a try on your next big download and see the difference for yourself.